Puppies are 8 weeks old today. Just got back from the dog show with Bailey. Let these guys out to run and play and have a drink. Where are you? It's been raining all day, so they're not going out to get wet. Who are we missing? Who are we missing? What are you trying to do? Huh? Get toys? I'm dizzy trying to keep up. Just ring around the island? Huh? We hear you. Oh, don't bite. Another bite. Girls. You okay?
I'm in the chair.
Oh, watch where you're going. Take pictures of the floor. Pretty. Where'd you go? Here, come on, girls. Boys. I know there's nobody out there. Can't go out today. Oh, that tastes good. Get somebody chew my laces. Where'd you go, baby? Huh? Where'd you go? Come back. Don't go piddle. Where are you guys? Huh? Where are you guys? Hi. Hi, pretty girl.